Yet, Lord, I seek a richer grace than paths I've walked before. So bless my hands with heaven's store, your kindness full and free, that I need not depend again on those who wounded me. No bitter root I choose to keep, nor vengeance to pursue. Your boundless grace can open doors no human can undo. Great not my peace or future rest, where scorn and pain abide, but gather those whose faithful hearts stand always by my side. When every earthly door is closed, your hand prepares the way. You turn the darkest night to dawn, the shadows into day. Restore my soul with holy strength, grant wisdom from above. Make me walk free, surrender.